Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are giving and serving up a New Year's Eve, New Year's look. So this is my gold version. There will be a silver look coming soon, but this is the gold. Isn't she pretty? I love how it turned out. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I have already done the brows. They're done. So we're gonna go ahead and hop into our eyes. So let's go ahead and use our Juvias Place concealer in the shade 14. Just dab that on there. I am going to use a blending brush today. I'm not gonna use my sponge to blend this out. We're gonna go ahead and use a brush. We are going to go ahead and go in with Yodit from our Juvias Place Warrior 2 palette. And we're just gonna brush that all over. Not all over, let's just focus it on the crease, just kidding. Going with Lil Boat from Colourpop. And just focus that in the crease. Okay. I think I'm a little weird, but now we're gonna go in with the honey setting powder. And we're gonna take some of that and press it in on your lid. Okay. Now, we about to go in with our liner. Okay. All right, the wings are on. Too much. Okay, so now it's glitter time. So we're gonna take some of our lash glue. This is I have both. I have like a black and a clear. So I'm gonna take the clear one though, and we're going to line under our liner. We'll just try one eye first. You're then I'm getting a really thin pointy brush, and I'm gonna use the NYX Glitters in gold, or it's gold, but it says GLI05, but some gold glitter. And we're gonna dip our brush into the glitter, and that's how we're going, before we do that, we're going to pounce some translucent powder on, we're gonna pounce some translucent powder onto our face, just under here, so that any of the fallout, it'll hopefully be really easy for us to just sweep away. Go ahead and get, ooh boy. Okay, hopefully that'll help. Okay, so now that it should be tacky, moving up so y'all can see. Just gonna press that glitter in. We are now going to take some more glue and we're gonna focus that on the inner corner. Just be careful. You don't want to get the glue in your eye. Just get it around. I'll put my lashes on and I'll be right back, y'all. So I'm back. Lashes are on. We are going to go ahead and just dust away this powder we set down here for our glitter fallout. All right, so we are going to, let me just spray my face a little bit with some Fix Plus just to give it some moisture just in case that powder dried me out. And then we are going to go in with our Hydro Milk Primer, Gel Primer. We are going to put a little concealer to cover up a couple spots we have going, just a smidge. I'm gonna go on with shade 12 from Juvias Place, the concealer. We're gonna blend that with a brush. Foundation, I'm gonna drop down to my Butter Pecan shade in the Born This Way. I'm a little lighter, so we're gonna see if I need to mix and pump in my chestnut. I will. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my beauty blender as well. Okay, and we are going to go ahead and go in with shade 12 and Juvias Place concealer. And we're just gonna focus that right here and down here. All right, So now we are going to go over and just dust our face with the Bye Bye Pores finishing powder. Okay. Now we are going to press in some powder, some of the Fenty powder up underneath our eye where we concealed. Okay, we're going to go ahead and dust that off. All right, now we are going to bronze with our Fenty Beauty Coco Naughty bronzer. I'm gonna go in with some blush. I'm gonna go in with Raisin from MAC. Okay, we're going to take that blending brush we've been using and just, well, not blending brush, the brush we've been using to dust off. We're gonna go ahead and just try to blend those two shades together. Okay, I'm gonna take some more contour and dust under our chin. I forgot. Okay, and we are going to contour our nose. Spray a little Fix Plus on another sponge, and then I'm gonna press. And now we're gonna put on some highlight. We're gonna put on some Boomin by Shayla and Colourpop. I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Terracotta bronzer and we're just gonna add just a little. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and change. Come back, we're gonna do our lip and we're gonna be done. Alright, so we are back. Looking a little more decent, a little more cuter. So I need to, one, set my eyebrows. Two, I didn't put on my mascara. So we're gonna go ahead and set our brows. Definitely should have did this when I actually had my hair pinned back. Okay. Then I'm gonna grab Kufuru, and we're just gonna blend that under our lower lash line. Now we are going to go in with our lower lash primer. I'm gonna go in with our mascara, our Better Than Sex. All right, y'all, so let's move on to our lip. So we're gonna go red. And I'm going to line my lips with this Colourpop pencil liner in the shade Bossy. Okay. Then we're gonna go in with this MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in Chateau M. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. Hopefully you like it. She's cute. Alright, as always guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, and I will list everything that I use down below as usual. And Happy New Year. Bye guys.